Now, time to work. That's the call from sports marketer and communications specialist Carole Beckford as she challenges the government to capitalize on Jamaica's sporting prowess.
Jamaica's potential to earn from the sporting industry is incalculable, and the time has come for policies to be implemented to capitalize on those potentials. According to sports marketer and communications specialist Carole Beckford, successive governments have dropped the ball, but she says there's still time to cash in.
Somebody needs to collate the research and say in 10 years, this is what was spent on sports. This is the level of investment that needs to take it to another level. And government should enact policies to incentivize the industry because we are now looking ahead to 2034. So let's look at a 10-year plan, a master plan. That's the approach I would take because we have enough data. The STF has been funding sports since 1995. I think when they look at that, they should then use that as a model and create a whole ecosystem that sees incentive. I think it's time now to change the business model so that there can be more of an economic advantage for the users and the participants in the industry.
In April this year, during his contribution to the 2024-2025 sectoral debate, Tourism Minister Edmund Bartlett revealed that the sector earned US $4.38 billion for the 2023-2024 fiscal year, noting that it was the largest revenue flow from tourism in the history of the industry. Based on checks by TVJ Sports, it is unclear what figure sports contributed to the economy for the same time period. Beckford is suggesting a merger of two of the major government ministries.
I've said it should be tourism, sport, and entertainment. We can't afford sport on its own because we have other ministries. And with climate crisis the way it is, our environmental needs have to be handled at that level. So with that said, it should go back to tourism. And because sport tourists are some of the more well-spent tourists globally. And so for me, the tourism overarches what sport can do, sport and entertainment.
She recommended a number of personnel in various industries that could come together to help chart the way forward.
We have JOA President Chris. Michael Hall runs CPL almost operationally with a small team for the last 7 years. Why are we not using up Michael? We have Chris there, we have all these fabulous people. We have Dave Cameron, we have Maurice Wilson at GC Foster, we have Lawrence Garrix at UTech. And so while we have access to people like Chris Darren, Michael Hall, Dave Cameron, Sonia Stanley Nair, use them up, man. Use up the people and put together the policy that guides what this process should look like.
Beckford was speaking on the Sports Grill on Hits 92 FM on Wednesday. Garfield Jones for TVJ Sports.